Welcome. If you've ever wanted to save your Facebook page's cover photo directly from the Facebook app on your PC, this guide is for you. With the latest update, the process has become even more straightforward. Let's walk through each step so you can easily keep your favorite cover images saved for future use or inspiration. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Take a moment to make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top of the screen. Click on your profile photo. This takes you to your personal page overview. Next, find and select the specific Facebook page you manage or wish to access. Once inside your page, look for the large cover photo stretching across the top of your page. Click directly on this cover photo to bring up a detailed view. Beneath the cover photo, you'll notice several options. Locate the three dots. These appear just under the image. Click on these dots to reveal additional actions you can take with your cover photo. From the list, choose the Save Post option. This action allows you to keep the post, including the cover photo, saved in your Facebook collections for easy access later. After choosing Save Post, Facebook will prompt you to pick a collection. If you've already created collections, you'll see these listed and can choose where to save the photo. If you want to make a new collection, you can do so here as well. Once you've selected the right spot for your saved post, simply click Done. That's it. Your page cover photo is now saved in your Facebook collections. You can always revisit your saved items by clicking on the Saved section from your menu, making it easy to find and use your cover photos whenever you need them. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with friends or colleagues who might need a quick reference. Thanks for watching, and explore more tips here to get the most out of your Facebook experience.